Language model services. Purpose: provide natural language understanding and generation for tasks like chat, summarization, reasoning, and retrieval. Typical features: text generation, rewriting, summarization, quanda, chat style interactions and system, linking to external knowledge bases and documents, long gate, text chunking, how to land in an 8N, call OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, Anthropic, Google Palm, etc. via HTTP request nodes. Build custom nodes to encapsulate common workflows, e.g. Canda plus retrieval multi-step. Combine with DB knowledge base nodes to support retrieval plus reasoning. Selection considerations: cost, latency, and capability. GPT-4, GPT-3.5, fine-tuned models. Safety and content filtering, compliance needs. Multi-tenant and rate limit management. 2. Information retrieval and knowledge storage. Purpose: provide high-quality background knowledge and sources to improve accuracy and traceability. Typical features: vector embeddings, similarity search, Vector databases, document splitting, embedding-based search, FAQ knowledge lookup, integration with enterprise sources, PDFs, docs, CSVs, databases, how to land in an 8N, vector DB API nodes, for example, Pinecone, Weavity, Chroma, for embedding and retrieval, document upload, transformation, and segmentation nodes. Pass retrieval results to the language model as context. Selection considerations: retrieval quality and latency, data freshness, security, access control, data masking for sensitive data, cost and maintenance, embedding costs, storage. 3. NLP and dialogue management. Purpose: understand user intent, manage dialogue state, maintain context. Typical features: intent classification, entity extraction, dialogue state machines, context management, conversational style control, long context maintenance, trigger downstream workflows, API calls, DB queries, task assignments, how to land in an 8N, node sequences, trigger, NLP as intent parsing via model API, conditional branches, API calls, manage context with variables and expressions. Selection considerations: context length and scalability, error handling and fallback strategies, multilingual support and localization needs. 4. Automation orchestration and integrations. Purpose: orchestrate AI reasoning with system operations to complete end-to-end tasks. Typical features: cross-system workflow orchestration, scheduling event triggers, background tasks, data transformation, task assignment, notifications, and logging, retry, versioning, auditing, and compliance. How to land in an 8N. Visual drag and drop workflows connecting HTTP, databases, files, CM, email, calendar, etc. Combine with language models, knowledge bases, and task management tools. Configure credentials and role-based access to ensure secure execution. Selection considerations: range of connected services and ease of creating custom nodes. Performance and concurrency, observability tools. Security and auditing requirements. 5. Observability, logging, and governance. Purpose: track AI agent behavior, ensure controllability and compliance. Typical features: input-output snapshots, execution logs, error tracing, model version governance, input-output governance, data masking, monitoring alerts, usage, cost analysis, how to land in an 8N, use built-in logs and execution history, snapshot critical events. Push critical events to external monitoring, Grafana, Prometheus, ELK, version control and branching for rollback and audits. Selection considerations: storage and query performance for high-frequency tasks, data protection and regulatory requirements, GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Monitoring strategy and alert thresholds. Quick wins: quick, start implementation in N8N. Define MVP. Core AI agent task, input-output format, key knowledge sources. Choose core toolchain. Language model service plus knowledge retrieval plus automation workflow. Design data formats. Standardize input-output structure across nodes. Security and cost planning. Credential management, least privilege, budget forecasting. Observability. Logging, snapshots, retry logic, monitoring metrics. Incremental scaling. Start with a single task, gradually add data sources, languages, and custom nodes. Example draft: build a customer support AI. Agent in N8N. Trigger. Customer submits a support form. Flow. 1. Collect and clean form data. 2. Generate an initial reply with a language model. 3. Retrieve supplemental information from a knowledge base. 4. Assemble final reply and send to the customer, email, chat. 5. If needed, create a ticket in CRM ticketing system. Relevant nodes, form data, language model, API, knowledge bus retrieval, database CRM, notifications, email. Governance, credentials. Avoid exposing sensitive data, logs, and rollback. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.